Yo, what's happening? Do you have a TRD Pro 2020 Tacoma and you want that snorkel kit put on there? Well, you can't really get the snorkel kit put on there because it comes with it. Yeah, you have to get a whole new fender. But we have a customer here that wanted a snorkel kit on their TRD Pro Tacoma. This one here. See, right there. All right, so your part number, you have TRD Pro Snorkel Kit. There's your part number. You look up instructions. They don't make instructions because we've called around to Toyota. We've looked online, and you have to buy the truck with the snorkel kit to have the fender with the holes in it, because if you look at your snorkel kit, you've got the main hole, which is obviously where all the air goes through, and then you have three nuts where you have to have holes to secure it to the fender. So we're like, you know what? I don't want to put a new fender on it. Let's just cut it. Let's just do it. So we devised our own little template here. Very, very professional. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. We've got our rough area here, and we've got our can't see it. We've got our 4-inch hole marked, and we are going to just drill some holes in it. Get this bad boy locked and loaded. So that's just part one. I'll show you some part two here in a minute. Two of the snorkel kit. We gotta get through the fender, and the only way to get through the fender is something that cuts metal.
My question is, did you film us drilling those holes in our template?
No, let me get it. All right. Really good, but I can see the threads on the very front one and the very bottom one. I can't see because of the angle on the top, but
I'm going to post it back to it. I feel like you're in it.
big washer, we have room for air. So that's why we probably go another step or two.
We'll go 2 steps. The hole is back. that?
I do. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.
All right.
Okay. Dry fit. Done.
Hold on.
So I think we're gonna have to. Oh no, we're gonna have to space it out. Are we?
Yeah, dude, it doesn't fit. I can't fit it.
We're gonna have to space it out.
So we cut out our template to kind of match where the foam is missing. You have your 3 nuts there, and your 2 here, and the kit comes with a bracket, and this bracket
Are you supposed to replace the pin?
usually would go right here on the roof rack. This bracket would go where that roof rack is, and it has these 2 holes. Sorry, somebody's using a air ratchet. Anyway, it's got these 2 holes here that would go to the 2 nuts on the top of the Snorkel. But this customer has a really sweet roof rack, and it has the cutouts for the Snorkel. So the Snorkel actually mounts to his roof rack, so this bracket is not needed. But there is our cutout. That's our template we kind of made up. Got our 3 holes for where the bolts go on the inside, and that's our cutout for the Snorkel.
And then there's your cutouts.
And there's what we cut out. So let's go ahead and get it mounted up. So the final install, got the Snorkel top on, got it mounted to the roof rack. Looks really nice. Let me come around and show you the front. Yeah, mounted really nice to the roof rack there. Of course, TRD. And we come into the fender, and it's got a tube from inside the fender, bolts there, comes in to where the stock intake is, which is right there. Of course, goes to the factory intake. So looks really good. All right, so the final install looks pretty darn good. Forms with the fender real nice. Goes up the A-pillar. Mounts up top. Looks pretty good, man.